Welcome to Hands-On Artificial Intelligence for Small Businesses. This is a new course for developers, managers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who is comfortable with Python and wants to capitalize on the power of artificial intelligence. My name is Sam, and in this course, I'm going to give you the skills to increase business revenues, to develop actionable insights, and to automate core business processes using artificial intelligence. I've worked with companies in Brazil, China, and the US, helping them to solve core business problems using AI, and I've worked at the cutting edge of the field. I can tell you that after learning how to program, learning AI is one of the most important and valuable skills for a developer in today's economy. Even if you're not a developer, if you have a business with more than 100 customers, AI can help you. Let me give you 6 reasons that you should take this course. First, AI is good for business. Think about some of the largest companies in the world. Amazon, Google, Facebook. All of them have core value produced and driven by artificial intelligence. Google's search, Google's ad recommendations, Amazon's product recommendations and logistics, Facebook's face recognition, its advertising services. These are powered by AI. Even companies that you don't think of as technology companies or AI companies use AI to analyze their data, to make predictions, to adapt to a changing world. Second, AI is good for your business. As I said before, if you have more than 100 customers, AI can help you. AI can help you to understand your customers. It can help you to make predictions about what's going to happen in the future. What will you sell? How much will be demanded? AI is hard. It took decades to develop some of the techniques that I'm going to present to you. This might sound discouraging, but this means that this really is cutting-edge technology. It hasn't worked its way through the economy yet. There is an opportunity for you to capitalize on the power of artificial intelligence to analyze your data, to understand your business better, to make better choices. That said, AI is easy to learn and to understand. It's easy to apply. Even though it took a long time to develop these core artificial intelligence techniques, applying them in many different circumstances requires creativity, not mathematical expertise. Fifth, AI is cheap. Just like most software, AI can be run for pennies a day, and it can power core value-producing components of your business. Whether it's marketing to your customers more effectively, or understanding your expenses more dynamically, whether it's adapting to changing conditions, AI can be deployed very cheaply and it can produce a lot of value for your business. And sixth, if you don't take this course, you can definitely learn about some common AI techniques or find libraries that implement them. But what you won't learn is how to apply them to your business. This course is going to teach you how to leverage these techniques to produce value for your company. You will be able to take the techniques that we learned in one setting and apply them to many other settings. You'll be able to multiply the knowledge that you learn here to many different contexts in order to produce even more value for your business. So let me tell you about the course. The course is made up of 5 sections. Each section builds on the last section and introduces new skills and new applications. In the first section, we're going to get familiar with the libraries that have implemented many of the AI tools that we'll be leveraging. For example, we'll be using NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, PyTorch. We'll also be using Jupyter Notebooks for development. Immediately after, in section 2, you're going to apply supervised learning techniques to making predictions. You can use these techniques to make projections or forecasts into the future. You can use them to make inferences about your business automatically. Then we're going to dive into an area called unsupervised learning. This can give you insights into your customer base. It can help you to understand large collections of data and to identify common features among specific groups. In the next section, we're going to combine these techniques to produce powerful recommendation systems. These can be used for product recommendations, but they can also be used as an advisory system for people internal to your business. Finally, in section 5, we're going to introduce some of the most powerful artificial intelligence techniques available today, and we're going to use them to automate a core feature of your business. This entire course is less than 10 hours long. If you work hard, you could learn it in less than a weekend. I hope that you will start this course right now so that you can leverage the power of AI to increase the value of your business.